Podi weche mag tuke ni joloch tuke mago okapu lig maduong' mapacho ka Nairobi City Thunder joloch tuke mago okapu mano mar Basketball Africa League East Division mano tok loyo team mano mar Johannesburg Giants points 94 kuom 84 finals mano bagi Kasarani. Nairobi City Thunder nochako tugo makare kendo yudo loch quarter mokwongo kagiro kata points 28 kuom 10 kapok giloyo bende quarter mar 2 points 22 kuom points 21. Tuk jotugo nowuok yueyo. Thunder nomedo liete tugo no kendo okawo loch quarter mar 3 points 33 kuom 22 kapok team no mawuok Afrika ma milambo Johannesburg Giants loyo quarter mogik points 18 kuom 8. Tok chopo finals timbe mag Nairobi City Thunder gi Johannesburg Giants ong'ado tiko mago mag tuke pinje Afrika mangima, tuke ma ibiro bagi boma ma Kigali piny Rwanda.
I mean, it's very big because when we went to BAL season 5 in Kigali, we were really embarrassed there. We only won 1 game out of 5. So our mission when we came back was to go back to BL season 6 and show that we belong there. And this is still just part of the process. And I'm happy about the guys.
And I think just knowing what to expect at that level now, I think it's a common narrative. We want to really kind of prioritize like our local core. You could see that in this tournament, and I think just making sure as we recruit and integrate guys that they fit our sort of play style and mentality.